Previously on Project Runway Philippines. You're going to be taking a trip.
Manila, Cebu, Manila.
I am treating you to a fabulous lunch here at the Zisa. Bon appetit. Guys, this is Kenneth Cobonpue.
It was nice. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God, Kenneth Cobonpue. I'm a huge fan.
Okay, designers, this is the showroom of Kenneth Cobonpue.
For the challenge, we want you to come up with an outfit since you've been inspired by the furniture pieces that you've seen around here. We also want you to get inspiration from these materials.
Fresh from Cebu.
Abaka, bamboo, abaka skin, nipa. Gagamit kami nun as part of the dress.
I love the silhouette. I love your fabric choices. I actually like the classicism.
Today, there's something amiss with your technical skills, I think.
For me, this is a very clear example of a successful translation from inspiration to a direct reaction to the product.
To me, it looks like you thought about the dress first, and Kenneth Cobonpue inspiration came after. Congratulations. Russell, you are the winner of this challenge. You're guaranteed a spot in Philippine Fashion Week. Santi, you're in. Manny, you're in.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Cherry, that means you're out.
Nakakalungkot lang na parang hindi ako umabot sa tatlo kasi alam kong mapapataob ko silang tatlo. Yan ang sigurado ako. Sorry, pero hindi matatapos dito ang lahat.
The finalists of Project Runway Philippines will present their collections in Philippine Fashion Week. The winner of Project Runway Philippines will receive ₱500,000, a fashion editorial from Preview Magazine, sewing machines from Brother International, a designer's package from Mannequin Incorporated, and a summer scholarship from SOFA's European partner school, Instituto Marangoni. This is Project Runway Philippines, the competition to discover the Philippines' next big fashion designer.
This is total madness.
I was born to do this.
For these young designers, this is an opportunity of a lifetime.
I am a magician. I can make them all disappear.
I am a cut above the rest.
I'm a small guy in a big man's world of fashion.
Designing for the runway will be no walk in the park. You have to go through the eye of a needle to make it to the top. This is Project Runway Philippines. Hello, designers.
Hey.
Congratulations for making it this far.
Thank you.
Now, for your final challenge, you'll be creating a 12-piece collection to be presented at Philippine Fashion Week. All of you have decided to stay with your models from the last challenge. So, before we move on, let's call in someone who's helped you every step of the way.
Hello, designers. I will be checking in on each of you in the coming months. And I want you to remember that this is a chance for a lifetime for you to get out there and be known. So, you gotta work.
Good luck. We're all very excited to see your collections. And we'll see you on the runway.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you.
Grabe, sobrang tuwa ko talaga. Natupad yung pangarap ko na makasama sa top 3. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang laban ko na hanggang sa top talaga makapasok.
In the next 2 months, hopefully I'll have more sleep, mas well-rested, and conceptualizing my collection for fashion.
My game plan for Fashion Week is that it will be something that will be very modern and something that will pay homage to the Filipino identity.
I'll do something they've never seen before. Never seen in the Philippines, never seen in any Project Runway franchise, never seen in the whole of Asia. I badly want to win this. I mean, not just for the sake of money, and I want to do something great. Yun lang.
It's been 3 months since the final challenge presentation, and I'm curious to see how far they've gone in their collection. So I'm checking in on our first finalist, Santi Obsena, who's working at his studio in Cubao.
Ano na?
Hello, Georgie. Long time no see.
Halika, Georgie.
Pasensya na, magulo ang bahay.
When I showed my clothes sa last Fashion Week, basically, it was to tell everybody that I'm here. But the difference with this Fashion Week is that I need to tell everybody that I'm here and I'm here to stay. When I joined the competition, I wanted this to be like my homage to my dad. Kasi he wasn't able to see Fashion Week last year because he died sometime around September. Tapos sabi ko, alam ko na kahit na nasa taas na siya, makikita niya lahat ng ginagawa ko. Inaalay ko yung buong collection ko at buong journey na to sa tatay ko. Para mas ma-feel mo naman yung buong collection ko, I'm taking you on a field trip.
Saan?
Ay, secret! Sumama ka na lang, te. Halika na.
Matagal yon?
Slide. Pero worth it.
Okay.
Papakita ko sa'yo where it all began.
Sige. Ngayon na?
Yes.
Okay. Ay, malayo-layo pa yun.
Saan ang sasakyan?
Ayan na. Halika na, Georgie. You first. Hello, Georgie. Welcome to Makiling.
Ang ganda naman dito.
Diba? Ang lamig-lamig lang. Dinala ko si Georgie sa Makiling kasi that is where it all began para sa akin. I mean, I wasn't a fashion designer before. I started out as a folk dancer. Ang collection ko ay rooted sa history ko bilang isang artist. Gusto ko ipakita kay Georgie kung saan nagsimula ang lahat, kung saan lumawak yung pagtingin ko sa mundo, kung saan ako natuto ng maraming mga bagay. Georgie, I want you to meet my friend, Stephen.
Hi, Stephen. How are you? Oh.
Let's eat.
Oh, diba? You prepared this?
Siyempre, nakakaloka isipin yung collection tsaka yung big day, di ba? Na medyo malapit-lapit na. Pero sinusubukan ko para may kalma.
Nakakaloka ka? Bakit dito mo pa ako dinala?
Wala lang. Hindi, charot. Hindi, kasi di ba nga, pinapaliwanag ko sa workroom na parang tipong my collection is based on nature. So, I wanted to go back to my roots. Project Runway is the greatest challenge I will ever face in this lifetime because not everybody is given the chance. And I'm very, very happy that, you know, Project Runway came into my life. Pero ang daming funny lang na moments sa loob, di ba? May mga nakikita ng mga tao, may mga hindi. May mga araw na nag-espadahan lang kami ng ruler.
Actually, madami akong hindi alam.
Oo. Marami talaga.
So what do you think are his chances of winning?
Ang pinakamalakas na panlaban ni Santi is yung kanyang concept and theme and yung kanyang ideas kasi thinking designer kasi siya.
It feels good to be part of the top 3 kasi napaka-varied nung group namin. I think that it's going to be a very interesting show kasi lahat kami iba-iba ang ginagawa. Iba-iba pa rin ang dadalhin namin sa competition. Now you've seen the inspiration. Now, let's go back to Cubao para pakita ko naman sa'yo yung mga damit.
Yes.
So,
halika.
Let's go. Dito tayo, nandun na yung kotse. I made my collection in a way na parang professionally made siya, hindi lahat competition pieces. My inspiration for my collection is basically katulad nung huling challenge. Ang napili ko is War and Love. Parang meron siya ng drape at saka ng pleat. So, dalawang magkaibang treatment na alam kong magaling ako. Ang mga medyo complicated na mga structures ay medyo magkakaroon ng softer appeal at ang mga softer appeal ay magkakaroon ng hard na edge. Ayan. Yan.
Ito lang?
Pasensya naman, te. Mahirap kasi manahe eh. Bali yan. Ito yung medyo hindi ko pa tapos. Ito yung wino-workoutan ko ngayon, ganyan.
Okay.
Pero nakat ko na yung base niyan. Tatanggalin ko na lang. Tapos pupunuin ko siya ng mga bias strips para medyo organic yung feel, ganyan. So,
Bias strips of what fabric?
bali napili ko for this is Pinya Cocoon at saka Aganiloko para plain siya ng shiny na matte, tapos merong parang transparent ng onte. Pero magkaiba sila. So isa super white, yung isa off-white. So para from afar, iba pa rin yung feel niya. So gusto ko lang yung subtle na texturing na from afar kita pero hindi naman nakakaloka masyado. So
Okay.
ayan. So ito yung isang long dress pero hindi pa siya tapos. So inspired siya ng isang hapon umiiyak lang ako.
Bakit?
Wala, kasi umalis na si boyfriend.
Kaya umiiyak din yung damit.
Yeah.